Somali is a unique nation. There are Somalis who are Kenyans. There are Somalis who are Ethiopians. There are Somalis who are from Djibouti. And this is by dint of a colonial legacy which we chose to live with, the Berlin Conference of 1884. In 1963, there was an attempt, an argument that boundaries should be redrawn. And it was in Cairo in 1964 that the leaders said that there would be so much trouble and disturbance if we tried to interfere with these boundaries. That is how the doctrine of inviolability of inherited boundaries came about. And it was very well articulated by the leaders of the day, including greats such as Kwame, Kurumo, Kamal, abde, Naaser and Julius, kambarage, Nyarere. The understanding, of course, was that we would be moving towards integration and that those boundaries would only be useful for purposes of administration, not as places where we would station our armed young men and women to kill each other. So going forward, I think that matters of security in East Africa should be the domain of the East African countries. And if there is any dispute, they should be addressed as such. And you will remember that even in Somalia, we have had Kenyan forces doing a reasonably good job. We have had Burundians. We have had Ugandans, which sends the message that we are capable of putting boots on the ground for the sake of our brothers and sisters. And the sooner we do that effectively, the more we will be respected. It should not take the United States of America and their taxpayers' money to create security in this region.